Hi guys, I'm Ariana. I go by Ari, but I've been a student here at Iowa Western for 2 years. Just doing my general studies right now, but next year I'm hoping to do like the fire and safety program to become a firefighter. And sorry, I'm a little sick right now, so my voice, and I do not look the best. My voice is going away, which is scary because I'm a server and I'm about to start my new job on Wednesday, but I'm scared I'm gonna be sick. But I'm excited to take this class, take a step forward in my public speaking and my confidence with speaking. I need help with that, especially as a server. But my favorite color is blue. From Omaha, Nebraska. I lived in the dorms last year. Okay. Yes.